Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk and talk you through the POS Pearl app, which is available for free on the App Store and Google Play Store. Let's check out its features. First of all, you need to create a new account using Sign Up. Here, you need to enter a few details. The first one is agent code. You can get it by calling our support team. Once the sign up is done, please contact our technical support team to link your email address with your store. After that, you can sign in using your email and password. There are two sections in this app: reports and store functions. First, we will see reports. You can correct the remember password checkbox if you want to skip adding password every time. Now press login. Select your store. Now here there are two options to go ahead. Here you can use PIN login or store accounts using plus sign. Here you need to enter the username and password. This is the same username and password that you use on POS system on your computer. You can also check the remember password if you want this application to remember it. This section contains all the reports of your business. There are a variety of reports available here. The first one is sales chart. You can see today's sales using different payment methods, or you can see sales by hour. You can go back to home screen using this home icon on the top right corner. In reports, you have detailed reports. Next is stock inquiry. Here you need to select the period. You can scan the item or enter item name, and you will see the stock details. Next is item history. Here you need to select period, then scan or type the item name, and there you go. You will get the item sales history, purchase, price change, and quantity change details. Next is sales analysis. You can see the selling details of an item for different time period, such as year-wise 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, and then up to 6 months, yearly, quarterly, weekly, daily, forecast sales, chart, and the last one is transactions. You can see the recent transactions here, such as last 10, 20 or 30 transactions, and by different types. Now we will see the second section in this app. Press log out from here. Select store functions. Press login. Select the store. Enter PIN. And here it is. These all are useful in your daily store operations. The first one is new item. Here you can add a new item using standard or multi-pack options. Just add all the details and press save. The next is update item. Here you can update item attributes. You can update price. Then you just need to scan item or type SKU or item name. If you are scanning an item from your phone app and the item is not being pulled, you need to go to the policy section. You need to turn on the first option, perform extended item search. If you are using an iPhone, then you will see one more policy, remove extra zero while item scanning in iOS. You need to turn it on if your item is not getting scanned properly. Now let's go to update item, then update price. Okay, let's start the scanner or type the name. Right here you can update its price, then press save and done. Let's explore one other option, update stock. There are two options here. Update quantity option will do addition or subtraction to the current quantity, whereas the replace quantity option will simply replace the current quantity with whatever you enter. Let's take a look on this. Type item name. Here you can update quantity and then press save. The next is stock count. Firstly, you need to use inventory manager section on your system to create a batch. Once you start a new batch there, you should be able to start counting the inventory on the phone app. Just add item, enter new stock and press save. That's it. The next is order items. Using this option, you can add the items into the common order queue. Later, using the inventory manager module, you can order these items to your desired vendor or supplier. The next is sell on hold. If you want to put a sell on hold, you can create a new list of items, add items, add a customer name and then press save. You can resume and check out the order from your POS system. The next is purchase order. Select vendor and then select items. The next is purchase invoice. You can add invoice, select vendor and then enter invoice number and save. The next is restock. Restock option is available to make a quick list of the items that you like to restock between storage facilities such as warehouse or basement. You can create a new batch by clicking on start a new batch and keep adding items into the restock list. Then you can go to inventory management to print the report. Next is process offline. You can process some functions when there is no connectivity. It will be resumed after your internet connection is restored. The next is print label. You can print labels from here. For that, detailed configurations need to be set before you use a label printer from the phone app. Please contact our technical support team to configure it. The next is item history. We have already discussed item history option earlier in this video during report section. You may use this feature to search the history of any items. And the last one is item group. This is quite important. You can add a new group using the plus sign. Just go to the aisle and start scanning the items to add it. Just enter any group name and start adding the items. So this app is incredibly easy to use. Thank you for watching.